Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to a new video. Today I've blocked the blow-off valve, so now my car can do the turbo flutter. I haven't done this cheeky mod for a while now. The last time I did it was about 10 months ago when I had the stock turbo, and I want to see how it sounded with the high flow turbo while the car's tuned on E85. It doesn't flutter as loud as it should because I've still got the stock intake pipe, but once I go to the steel pipe, it should echo through that metal pipe and it should sound beautiful. Also guys, before I show you like the turbo flutter clips, I just want to say that I do have a Nismo two-way diff. I've purchased it and it should be on its way. I can't wait to install it on this car, where we can finally start doing drift videos. We can start doing some cheeky burnouts, launches, everything. This Nismo diff is going to change everything about this car. Because with this car, it's got so much power that it just loses traction just like that. So when it single pegs, it'll just redline on one wheel and it's so annoying. So when I get the two-way diff, it's gonna spin both wheels all the time. And for you guys that have R33s or VLSD, get rid of the VLSD and just put a 1.5-way diff in it or a two-way diff. If you guys want to do street driving, like daily, I guess stick with the 1.5-way. If you like the two-way, what it does, then go for it. A welded diff, yeah, they're fun, but a two-way diff is more reliable. And if you haven't hit that bell button, hit that bell button because it notifies you when we upload a video, so that way you guys can instantly watch it when it gets uploaded. And before I show you the turbo flutter, I just want to say sorry if the camera doesn't pick up the turbo flutter as well as it should, is because I don't have a long cable with the microphone, so I'm definitely going to get that in the future for this camera, so we can pick up the turbo flutter from the pod filter, and then I can run the mic to the back of my exhaust, leave the camera in the car so we can pick up all the exhaust noises when we're hitting boost around corners.
Keep the heads ringing.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed those clips of me hitting boost in my car and doing the turbo flutter. I'm hoping the cameras picked it up well, but anyway, it was a fun drive. I'm glad I've done the turbo flutter again. It's just so funny to hear it spool and go sututututuu. And I hope you guys like that tunnel exhaust bit at the start of the video, because last time I did that, my car was on 98, and on E85, my God, that exhaust just sounds mental under the tunnel. This is the end of the video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, share. Hope you guys have an awesome Christmas and a new year. All right, guys, thank you so much for the love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Catch you later.